don't you love the feeling when you work at a school? Alright, this is pretty specific. But don't you love the feeling when you work for a school and then you go to school one morning, you don't check the weather or the snow report, and you get there and you realize it's a snow day and you just go home? Alright. So it's a snow day for school and the day is passing away. I ended up having to write a report for one of the students that I assessed. And oh yeah, so I'm a speech therapist, but it's a snow day. As you can see, there is snow. So what I'm gonna do is get my gear, load it up, and head out to the water. We're gonna check the report real quick, see how that looks, and if it looks good at Nahant, then we're gonna head there and yeah, go from there. All right, we're riding to the spot. We are all packed up, ready to go. I think I'm gonna try to take out the swallowtail today because I have not surfed my 6'3" in a long time. So I'm hoping there's enough energy in the water to get, you know, a couple little rides in. It'll be fun, but I'll take out the foamy probably for the bulk of the session because the waves are only, you know, 2 foot plus, and I'm not sure how accurate that is right now. Day after the swell, it was like 6-8 foot yesterday, so I'm hoping that it's pretty on point. Oh yeah, I'm stoked to see what the ocean is gonna look like with this much snow. Alrighty, first glance at the ocean. It's looking not good. Not good at all. Very small waves right now, but they look like they could be surf with the foamy. So we're gonna get out there. We're gonna try to hit it, and we're gonna see how it goes. You know, the more I look at it, the more surfable it looks. So I think we came here with the wrong mindset, thinking I was gonna surf some nice little 3-4 foot waves, but you know, I think this is pretty good considering. What's up, guys? I'm trying to block this light here because it's really ruining the view, but I'm just trying to make a conclusion for the video you just watched. I didn't film anything afterwards. My phone storage filled up, so my camera stopped filming, but I managed to capture that one clip at the end. Stoked I got something at least on camera. My first time filming myself surfing, so I'm hoping to capture more in the future. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet of my snow day surf trip. Alright, see y'all next time.